Hi, I'm Nick Moore, and this is a short introductory video on the new VS84UT. The VS84UT is an 8x4 4K60 420 audio-video presentation system with integrated range extension and integrated master control. The VS84UT switches video, embeds audio, and sends the signal to both HDMI and HDBaseT outputs. The HDBaseT outputs have PoE and support USB. As there are no controls on the front of the unit, let's have a look at the back. Starting at the top row at the left, there are 2 infrared inputs, 4 infrared outputs on terminal blocks, and next to that we have 4 GPIOs and 8 relays on terminal blocks. Moving further to the right, we have the 4 RS-232 ports, an RS-485 port, and KNET for connecting to other Kramer control devices. Besides that, we have dip switches that control the termination of the control. We have a dip switch for programming use and the programming USB port. There are 2 sets of 3.5mm jacks for IR tunneling over the HDBaseT inputs 7 and 8 and the HDBaseT outputs 3 and 4. Next to that are GPIO blocks for future use and dip switches for future use. Next we're looking at the matrix inputs. You can see the 6 HDMI inputs and 2 HDBaseT inputs making up the 8 digital video inputs, and above them are the associated audio inputs. There are 4 balanced stereo inputs which can also be configured as 8 balanced mono mic inputs and 4 unbalanced stereo inputs. To the right of those are HDMI output 1 and 2 and HDBaseT outputs 3 and 4, making up the 4 digital video outputs. Above them are 2 balanced stereo audio outputs and the master loudspeaker output. In the control section, we can see 2 RS-232 ports. The bottom port controls the machine, the VS84UT, whilst the top port allows RS-232 to be tunneled either to the HDBaseT output ports or one of the HDBaseT input ports. The first set of USB ports allows USB clients to be connected via the HDBaseT inputs or outputs. The second set allows a USB host to pass data via the HDBaseT inputs or outputs. Moving on, we have 2 RJ45 sockets for Ethernet control of the VS84UT and for passing through the HDBaseT inputs and outputs. Finally, we have the mains power socket and the on-off switch. It's obviously important to connect the correct voltage to the unit. For more information on the VS84UT and its larger sibling, the VS88UT, please visit our website. Thank you for watching.